Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to add and remove labels in Gmail. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel because we post content like this on our channel. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. So let's start with today's video. So to add and remove labels on Gmail, first go to your Gmail. Let me open my Gmail. To open Gmail, you just have to log into your Google account in Google Chrome in your browser and then click on Gmail, which is at the top right corner. Click on Gmail. Your Gmail opens up, and to create a label, click on setting, which is at the top right corner just beside the question mark. Click on setting and then click on see all setting, and then in see all setting beside general at the top there's labels. Click on labels, then scroll down, and then there's create new label over here. As you guys can see at the bottom, you can just click on create new labels and you can name what label you want. So I'm going to name it Kevin, and then click on create. And as you guys can see, the label Kevin was created. As you guys can see over here below draft, this is my label. So there is no conversation with this label until now. So that's how you create a label. And now to delete a label, what you have to do is just follow the same step. Go to setting, click on see all setting, go to labels and scroll down. And as you guys can see, this label Kevin over here, and there is remove button over here just beside edit. And you guys can see if I click on remove, then delete the label Kevin. Yes, delete. Boom, now your label is deleted. So that's how you add and delete the label in Gmail. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.